Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate later for LinkedIn profile link tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate later for LinkedIn profile link tracking, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the later website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, look for the option to connect social accounts. Select Add Account from the menu. Choose LinkedIn from the list of social platforms. You will be prompted to log in to your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Sign In. Grant later the necessary permissions to access your LinkedIn profile. After authorization, you will be redirected back to later. Verify that your LinkedIn account is now connected. Navigate to the link tracking section within later. Create a new link or select an existing link to track. Copy the URL you want to track. Paste the URL into the provided field in later. Add any necessary tags or notes to categorize your link. Save your changes to ensure the link is tracked. Check your link tracking dashboard to confirm that the link appears there. Monitor your link performance over time through the analytics provided in later. You are now set up to track your LinkedIn profile link using later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.